Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Hirat's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make the best agbeli kaklo or BankyeKaklo or even cassava fritter, and you love every bit of these popular snacks you can find in Ghana. To start with it, I am going to peel my cassava, and next I am going to remove that thin stick or stem. I don't even know how to say it. I am going to gently remove it. After that, I am going to cut the cassava into small pieces because I will be using a blender to blend this. But if you don't have a strong blender, please use a grater to grate this, okay? After cutting it, I am going to wash it thoroughly and then transfer it into a blender. I will then add small water to make it easier when blending. So I am going to blend this till I get a smooth consistency, not that smooth, so in between. So after blending, I am going to throw it into my cheesecloth, and then I am going to squeeze as much liquid as possible. Here you need to use all your strength to do this job because we want to get rid of all the liquid in the cassava. So if you can't do this, you can just do it halfway and then get something heavy to put it on to help you drain the excess liquid. Okay. So after everything, I will transfer it into a bowl, and this is the texture I was talking about. This is what you have to get. And next, I am going to add onion, and I use just a bit of the onion because I don't want it to be bitter. Too much of the onion will make it bitter, and I am grating it because it is too small for me to blend it. After that, I will then add a pinch of salt and then mix everything till it is well mixed. After mixing it, I am going to scoop small quantity just like this and then form a nice ball. Here, make sure you don't press it hard, okay? Gently mold it and then form your ball. And we are going to continue with this process till we are done with everything in the bowl. So whilst doing this, my oil was also on fire. So here, make sure you do it nicely, okay? So once I'm done with everything, I am going to just drop the agbeli kaklo or BankyeKaklo into the oil one by one. And here, make sure your oil is on medium heat because we don't want it to burn, and I am going to just drop them one after the other because I don't want everything to scatter here. So once I finish adding it, I am going to give it a gentle stir so everything will fry evenly. And if you really want your BankyeKaklo to be that crunchy, then you need to fry it for long. But if you want it in between, just fry it till you are okay with the consistency. And please make sure you stir it consistently because we don't want one side to burn, okay? So we are going to fry this till it is golden or till you are okay with the consistency. If you are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed or you haven't liked this video, please do so before you forget, okay? And please don't forget to turn on your notification bells to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And follow me on other socials as Hirat's Kitchen, and you love it there. Thank you so much in advance for doing that. And please don't forget to check on my other videos, and you will really, really, really love it also. So enjoy the video to the last moment. Once I'm done frying it, I am going to put it in a colander or on a paper towel to remove all the excess oil from the kaklo. And just like that, our BankyeKaklo is ready in minutes. So anytime you are craving for BankyeKaklo and you haven't gotten some to buy, just make yours at home and you will love it. So here I paired it with matured coconut, and it was so yummy and easy to make. So make sure to make it, okay? See you in the next one. Bye.